Confidence building is not just a matter to express thoughts and speaking regularly. Confidence building is a portion where you express your personality, your ideas, and thoughts. Confidence building is not proportional to your fluency. Confidence building is a part of your personality. So, confidence will incur whenever you will practice it, whenever you will go smooth with your fluency. You get confidence with your content portion, you get confidence with your conversation with others. If you are not comfortable on this stage, be sharp, be accurate, fix with grammar rules, fix with conversation, and try to start with small sentences and complete sentences. It will work out, and I hope that you will gain it early. Thank you.